about both of these trains and then give me your answer. So, the first train is the train of good qualities like love, compassion, kindness, discipline, etc. But the other train is full of the bad qualities like anger, greed, hatred, deceit, etc. If you go onto the good train, the train of good qualities, and never get down, then you'll go hyperspeed to your true destination, which is God. But if you get down and go to the train of bad qualities, it will take you further and further away from God. Radhey Radhey.